Today we are going to play Super Saiyan Simulator. On the first video we played it. Wait, why isn't my arrow moving? I think this is a glitch. What? What? My game is glitching. Wait. Let's try that again. What? Let's try that again. What? Finally, game. I've been playing this, but I don't know how many times I'll say that. So wait, why am I in my normal phone? See what will happen now if I type in SSJWATR. What? ER. Yes. See what is happening. See what is happening to my character. What? Someone is still in mastered all trends. Wait. I need 2 million. That's like most nearly impossible. As you can see, nothing has changed. I don't know. It is very hard to do that. But I think I need to do it. At first I needed 4 million. I don't know how to get it. Please do it. And see guys, I'm literally clicking it so hard. It's too hard to get till 3 million. I don't even know numbers. Wait. I think going in the tournament will help us. See that? I'm literally clicking the mouse so hard. See, you can hear this thing, mouse. There is so much left. There is so much left to do. Let's roam around. I think I'm going to change my mind and defeat some bosses. I'll fight the best boss. The hardest boss is none other than Jiren, and that also with Swan. The mighty Omega Jiren. First, I need to charge. I already charged. What? There is still 118 seconds left for the tournament. Something is coming from outside. There is some various sound. I don't know who it is. What? That sound came again. We only used 1000 energy. But as you know guys, Jiren is very hard. If you lock on, there is no way he can escape. I'm pressing the E button so many times. So many times, guys. If we do it from far, it will be like a thing. If we do like this, it will come from down. No, I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. How far will you come? We are literally. I don't know anything. I really don't know that. I'm spam clicking so many times. Which is bad for my fingers. Please. Yes! I changed my mind. I just wanna go to the Kinkai planet. What? No, that is not the main area. What? There are only 56 seconds. There are only 56 and I'm at 42 million. Get in. Please. We are back in. Spam clicker. What is spam clicker? I don't know. Spam clicker. What? It is spam clicker. Spam click master. Pro spam clicker with swag. This is swag. Yes. First, I will charge. What? Oh, full energy. Yes. Yes. We got him in one shot. Ah, bruh. It is too easy for me. It is too easy for me. What? I almost died there. But it is the easiest. At least we got 100k. And there are 43 million. That is swag. What? We have to wait 500 seconds. It's too hard. I wish that tournament was in 2 seconds. If that tournament was every 2 seconds, it would be very easy. Do it. Do it. I don't know how to do it. We need 600k. I'm literally spam clicking. Bruh, do it fast Nice. LSSJ for nice. What? He said you're gonna die? That's impossible. Because what? My game is lagging. What? He's an SSD ultimate. I also have that thing. That thing is the worst form. That is the worst form ever. That is the worst. What? That guy. Get out. Hey! Hey! JWATR. What? Water. What? No, UWE. No, you weak. Sucker. You suck. Wait, I'm not gonna. Yeah. What? That guy is literally saying I'm weak. I'm not weak. What is he saying? Wait. Hey! Why you wanna do that? Hey! What? You have 0? What? He's graded! How is it that big? Bruh! What? Okay! Okay. SJWATER. What a swag! Enter swag! What? I think so. In this video, we have a special guest. I know that. He's running away. He went. So, I think we have another special guest. Come on in. This is the Ghost Rider. This guy is Ghost Rider. This is Ghost Rider. Come in. And all my friends are laughing. Everyone is laughing. Everyone is laughing. Everyone is laughing. See. Everyone is laughing. That this guy says lol. Hi guys. Bye guys. That British guy I told about earlier is leaving. So